Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace this Chrysler Town & Country transponder key battery, also used for Dodge Caravan, Grand Caravan and more different years, different models. The battery you will need is a CR2032 and you can click on the link below to get it online. So pretty easy. We have to take the cover off. We do that by, as you can see right here, there is a small slot. I'll take a large flathead and I turn clockwise, okay? Do it gently, no need to apply a lot of pressure. As you can see, you can open the key. Here is the inside, put this one side, this is the battery. I'll take a small flathead and just underneath right here, I will take the battery out, okay? You can do it also from this side. If this comes off, it's okay, it's not a big deal. Put it back. The battery, as I mentioned, CR2032. Now this is a good one, so I'll put it back in, okay? Just like that. And cheap area. Tighten everything. And that's it, you're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.